Last match you perform, what happening?
That's very funny. That's very funny. That's very good questions. Thank you.
Sunny, last match you perform, what happening?
Nothing.
What happening?
Nothing.
Last match your performance, what happening?
Very bad.
Very bad.
Yes.
But what happening?
I didn't sleep well, I think.
Last match not satisfied?
No, of course not. Because last match we are lost, that's why. Today I'm happy.
But today match your performance still what happening?
Today still I'm bowling well. I'm really happy.
Last match your performance, what happening?
টিম ভালো খেলছে, টিম ভালো খেলেছে আর চ্যাম্পিয়ন হইতে চাই, ঠিক আছে?
But what happening?
হোয়াট হ্যাপেনিং লাস্ট টু গেমস, হোয়াট হ্যাপেনিং?
Today match what happening?
উই প্লে ভেরি গুড অ্যান্ড উই ওয়ান্ট টু প্লে ভেরি গুড,
Today match satisfied?
ভেরি স্যাটিসফাইড।
Okay, thank you. Anna, last match you perform, what happening? Last match what happening?
What? Last match, what happening? Last match we wait. What? Last match, as in this match before that? Oh, we lost.
Yeah, final match what happening?
Final match, we're winning, right? I think so. Hopefully, we perform really good and